Today, we're diving into some of the craziest Karen moments on the internet. Just when you think you've seen it all, these clips prove there's always more. Sit back and enjoy the chaos.
Maybe 30,000.
Dude, you dumb fucking bitch. I don't think so. Stupid.
Going, buddy. Oh my heck. What the heck was that?
Wow. Jeez. Wow.
On the verge of war with Iran, Stone. That much is true. But starting the war is outside of your job description. Begley paused.
In front of me. Wouldn't dare. Oh, you gotta be fucking out of here.
Fucking bitch.
Heist where they were being shot at by, well, the now dead Emperor's staff. Buddy, what the hell?
Over time, they find that cleaning their nose makes them feel better, a lot better. Over 3 million Navage users have written more than 100,000 reviews, averaging 4.7 stars, saying, best product I've ever used, and amazing, I love
Cura diabetes, não cura diabetes. Já chegou low, mas se segura aí. Segura, mãe. You fucking stupid! Over there. What the fuck is this? Não, tá gravando. No need you, mate. And don't be trying to
Here, they say until those gaps are fixed, getting off the streets just isn't realistic. Live, Eric Cabrera, KSL News Radio.
Police have arrested a man who's accused of beating up the driver of a car.
A minimum that they're requiring.
Whoa! This guy's in the wrong side of the road. He got off the freeway and came this way.
Come on, fucker.
He has a patient therapy button, so if he feels it, you can actually stop it. And again, this is good for mood, cognitive function.
Bro, you know how stupid you are? Dumbass. Make sure he's okay. Yeah, for sure.
That you?
Yep.
For what? What did you beat for?
Someone decided to make a left. guys okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Nothing even
Oh my gosh, my nose.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Is everyone okay?
Yeah, I didn't even get hurt.
Oh my.